Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FashDecor. Today we'll have something incredible exciting to share with you. It's all about wardrobe design ideas to transform your closets into a personalized and stylish space. Whether you have a large walk-in wardrobe or a small closet, we have got covered it. Some fantastic designs inspired. Let's dive in. All a well organized wardrobe is a game changing. Start by declaring your clothes and sorting them into a categories. You store binds, drivers and baskets to keep your accessories, scarves and shoes in order. You can also incorporate label shelves or put out drawer to make finding your favorite item in bazaar. Color coordinator, you instantly make your wardrobe look visually appealing. Arrange your clothes by color and you will create a beautiful display. Not only does it make a wardrobe looks gorgeous, but it also help you easily pick the right outfit for any occasion. Add mirror and proper lighting to your wardrobe for the extra touch of luxury. Mirror is not only make your space feel more expansive but also help you when trying an outfit. Proper lighting is installing to see all your clothes clearly and avoid any wardrobe manufacturers. Showcase your favorite accessory with display shelves, whether it's your stunning handbags collection, elegant shoes or stylish hats. Putting them on the display add personality to your wardrobe. Plus it's a great way to keep your accessory within easy search. When space is limited, think vertically. Utilize the back of the wardrobe doors for hanging jewelry, organization, ties and belts. You can also install hooks on the sides of hang bags and scarves, making the most vertical space. Maximize your wardrobe storage potentially. Customize your drawer to suit your need perfectly. You can also compartment of jewelry, socks, ties or even a hidden drawer to visually. Sliding doors are not only space saving but also creating stylish. They can come in various material and finishing. Give your palette of your option to match your bedroom decor. And best part is no need to worry about doors opening into limited space. Remember, your wardrobe is reflecting your style and personality. Enhance these design ideas and we will have a closet that you love to spend time in. Which design idea you can favorite? Let's know in comment below. Do not forget to like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next video next time, and thank you for watching and have a nice day. Keep decorating.